always watch your fork. We have 5 pounds of pork ribs right here. So guys, gagawin muna natin itong baboy sa sarili ng makita. So we're gonna fry this one inside fat. So guys, as you may see right here, our pork ribs is already sweating out with its own fat or oil. So tuloy-tuloy na yung pagpipirito natin dito. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add garlic. Add the green onion, a white onion. Cup of boiling water. Okay guys, let's add the pate liver spread. This recipe is full of flavor. It's gonna snap your socks off once you try this. I'm gonna add the potato now guys, because I like them mushy. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna wait. We're gonna bring this to boil for at least 1 hour. Until the sauce almost gone, until the sauce becomes so thick, I should say. So guys, after 1 hour boiling, this one is almost ready. Now, pwede natin i-add yung sweet bell pepper. At ilagay na rin natin yung green peas. Dito ginagamit ko 1 cup of green peas. But if you want to reduce the green peas, that's up to you. But me, I like a lot of green peas on my stew. So this one is gonna be ready. We're gonna cook it for another 10 minutes, and this thing should be ready. But that looks so thick and yummy already. So 10 more minutes, guys, and this thing is ready. So let's transfer this one in a glass container. After we boil it for another 10 minutes, this one is ready. So I'm just gonna transfer it all in a different container, and this pork ribs caldereta is ready to serve with hot steamed rice. Wow, this one's make my mouth watering already. Can't wait to try it. Yum, yum, yum. Sarap-sarap nito. Kinalbasan ng linuto ko. Tawag dito pork ribs caldereta style with pate and coconut milk. Just give it a shot, ha? Ito na. Guys, thank you so much for following my vlogs. I have more recipe to share with you guys. So let's give it a shot. Guys, kung lasang pinag-uusapan, ito ang subukan. Pork ribs, the best. Sarap. Cheers! Sarap-sarap. Kangay, sarsa pa lang, ulam na. Hey guys, thanks for tuning once again. Hope to see you guys again next time. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Till next time, God bless, and I'm gonna enjoy this one.